In this video, I'll show you how to trim a video on your iPhone. So if you have a rather long video clip on your phone that you want to crop down to a smaller clip, then it's actually a pretty straightforward process. So all we need to do is head over to the Photos app on your phone and then select the video that you want to crop. From the bottom navigation, you'll see an icon with these lines going across. You need to select that. And now from here, we can adjust the length of our video clip. So to do this, you just want to select one of the ends of the video. So let's say I wanted to crop some footage out at the beginning. I'm going to hold down on this first arrow with my finger, and then I'm going to start dragging it over to the right like so. And as you can see, this is cutting out the video footage. So once you're happy with your selection, you can also do the same for the ending of the video footage. And once you're happy with the amount of footage you've trimmed, we just need to click on done in the top right hand side. Now you'll have two options to either save as video or save video as new clip. If you save video, it's going to override the original clip, or we can just save it as a new video clip on our gallery. So I'll click save a video to overwrite the existing one, and there we have it. We now have our new footage with both the beginning and the ending cut out. If you wanted to trim the middle of a video clip, then you will need to download a third-party application like CapCut. There is no way at the moment to do this just on the iPhone editing tool. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.